Tame the Wild's beard straightening brush will give you a better looking beard in less time. The most efficient way to style your beard. This heated brush helps to straighten even the toughest of beards. The built-in Ionic generator emits rich negative ions that reduce frizz, while strengthening the hair, improving its overall health. Far safer than traditional methods, the anti-scald skin-protecting design ensures the handle and bristle tips stay cool. The brush automatically turns off after 30 minutes, always giving you peace of mind. The fast, easy, safe design uses unique heating technology known as MCH, which evenly distributes heat. It reaches up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 60 seconds. With 12 temperatures to choose from for maximum control, the brush is suitable for all beards. It also features a 360-degree swivel cord that never gets tangled. The travel-friendly design means you can stay groomed wherever you go. Glide smoothly with ease and never worry about snagging your hair again. Tame the Wild's beard straightening brush is truly a gift for men who take pride in their beards.
VIKICON Beard and Hair Straightener Wireless Edition. This little portable wireless straightener, great gift, great, easy, lightweight, USB chargeable. It comes with a little carrying pouch, charger, all of that. It's easy to use, 3-button control, LCD screen. Nice little easy temperature, warmers, cooler, nice, easy to use. Go up a little higher, got good fuller beard, you want to use a higher temperature. Go up to 200. And then, as a working man, it's hard to keep track of being able to keep my beard, my hair straight, nice looking. Might not always have time. Bring this with me, just on the run. As soon as it gets heated up, just start using it. Nice, quick, fast. Gotta keep this big beard in check right here, so it doesn't perm your hair, your beard. Nice cool touch, doesn't burn, works really great. Nice, fast, easy use. Get that mess of a beard into control. Alright, this little thing also has a little charger port here. You plug it in, you can use it like that. Unplug it, it's got USB, you can use it as a power bank. Got different, goes all the way up for your temperature settings, go all the way up to 400 degrees. For your thicker, coarse, harder to style beards, go down to a nice, gentle 100 degrees or less for your smaller, shorter beards. It's got the LCD screen I mentioned. After 30 minutes, automatic shut off. If you forget to turn it off, it won't stay on. It'll turn itself off, save you some power, won't burn nothing. Just all kinds of little functions on this thing. Great gift, wonderful use, easy to use.
Few things define rugged masculinity and daring good looks more than a full, rich, powerful beard. You don't want your beard to be disheveled. You want it to show your confidence. That is why you need the Marcus Beard Straightener Kit. Our cutting-edge PTC heat technology and multiple temperature settings protect your hair and your skin from scaling while reducing frizz. Plus, its ergonomic design allows it to work on beard and head hair, so you've got all your bases accounted for. The gift set includes a travel bag, beard comb, and grooming scissors. It's the perfect size for travel, so no more excuses for untamed hair. Marcus, define your style.